Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Welcome to All in One Navira's channel. Today I will teach you how to develop reading habits in your toddlers. But before starting my video, I would like to say thanks to my new subscribers. Thank you Ikra Zubair. Thank you Jessica F. Thank you Lakshmi Thandi Alapati. Thank you for subscribing my channel. So let's start our video. We will discuss about how to develop reading habits in our toddlers. So here are some simple tips that you can follow. First, we have to select the type of book which we should introduce to our little one. For example, if your little one is 6 to 12 months old, then you should select books having pictures with full of bright colors. Try to select the pictures of animals because children attract more towards the animals. Okay? But if your little one is 1 to 3 years old, then you should introduce a book having hardly 2 words per page with full of attractive colors. Tip number 2. Make a habit of daily reading. Try not to skip a single day. Tip number 3. Make quality time reading, not quantity time reading. Means try to be active with your little one during reading time. It's quality time. While quantity time is you are using phone, talking to someone else in this room while reading books. This is wrong. Tip number 3. When your little one tries to read, motivate her, so she will learn it with more efforts. Tip number 4. When she has finished one book, then try to give her rewards, but don't give her candy, chocolates, because by doing that, she will become greedy. Reward her by saying, "Wow, hooray, you have done it, it's amazing." Tip number 5. If she has lack of attention, then start reading by yourself with loud voice and full of expressions. It's my personal experience that then she will start taking interest in what you are reading. Tip number 6. Always make reading time a fun time. Tip number 7. Now let's discuss about which type of method we should introduce to our little one for reading. Like normally when we start reading, we start with the spelling. Example, dog, D-O-G dog, D-A-D dad, M-U-M mom, C-A-T cat, and so on. But now we should change this method by look and say method. Like if you start a book, for example, floppy, we should say it's floppy rather than spelling it like Floppy means floppy. We should say it's floppy. With the we should not spell it. Just when your child look at any word, they can easily say it's floppy, it's dad, rather than spelling it. Start spelling D-A-D dad. It's looking old fashioned. Tip number 8. Start reading with full of energy. You must be energetic. You should not be frustrated, irritated. You should be energetic and full of taking interest in what you are reading with your little one. And again, I have a request for all of you guys that please subscribe my channel. I have lots of activities, preschooling activities, homeschooling activities to share with you guys. But the only thing which I want from you is your support. Please support me in growing my channel by sharing it with your family and friends. And insist them to subscribe me. Here is the first book. You can see A Good Trick. It contains 2 words per page. You can see it. It's a series. Having 6 books in one series. It's a stage 2, ORT stage 2. And the pancake, you should start reading by look and say method. The milk, the butter, rather than spelling it T-H-E, the M-I-L-K, milk. Its second book. Third book is Who Is It? You can see who is it, and in this book repeating words are here. Mom is repeating, keeper is repeating in every book. Floppy, here is a dog, animal. Kids become attractive towards animals. It's my daughter's favorite book. Floppy. Oh, floppy, no floppy. You should read it with full of expressions. No floppy, floppy, floppy. It's fourth book, Fun at the Beach. Mom and Dad. You can see it, that these words are repeating in every books. Beef, keeper, dad, floppy, chip. All these words are repeating. 6 in the bed. Mom and Dad. Mom, keeper and dad. Beef, mom, keeper and dad. And floppy. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my video. So if you like, then like, comment below and share my video with your family and friends. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.